Wait, I'm literally fucking taking a video of this.
And on we'll go.
Morning. Today's a new week. I actually did my homework all last night, so I woke up early today. I didn't have to like rush and procrastinate. Wow, a different me. Look how layered up I am. I have my shirt, plaid, a Gucci, and this like Zara like corduroy jacket. It's getting really warm all of a sudden, but it's gonna go back down. But it's like 50s right now. But yeah, trying to take advantage of this weather by wearing all my like nice like spring clothes before it gets back cold. Currently 30 minutes early to class. I guess I can procrastinate, watch some TikToks. Alright, I'm actually gonna be ordering food for the club event that I'm hosting for Bike Club. And we have $250 to spend from NYU. Thank you! We are ordering 2 mac and cheese from Deacon, which is so good, but oh my gosh, so expensive.
Hi, can I get a bowl with brown rice? Chicken. Cream, because they got upgraded on their. I don't like chocolate that much, but
bored at work. Just kind of been doing a lot of club stuff, homework, job application, but save me. Hi, today is Wednesday. I have work and then I think that's it, but I want to show off that I can finally get a free bowl at NBC, because if you buy 5 you get the 6th bowl free, and I'm gonna get the biggest and the most expensive protein on there because #SubtleAsianTrait. So that's what I'm so excited for. And me and my other intern friend are gonna get milk bar ice cream as a little reward for doing absolutely nothing to deserve it. Just leaving work, I presented today in front of my whole team and the vice president, really nervous. Good morning. I woke up at like 6 a.m. today to prepare for a phone interview. I'm really nervous, haven't been interviewed for a while, so that's fun. And then later today I think I'm trying to hit the gym, reply to a bunch of emails, fix all like this Bike Club sponsorship and emails and stuff like that. And then we have our event, which is our trial event, which is going to be evaluated by NYU to see if we get to be an official club. So it's a lot riding on it. Picking up from a sponsor right now. Everything's going mayhem. Wish me luck. my ideal night. This is actually, I can't believe I actually really like watching this, but I'm kind of addicted. I'm a sucker for a reality TV show. Bag of chips, guac, yes. Okay, we have to try this. Okay, the first time I tried it, I didn't like it.
Okay, guys, give me a play.
Oh, you are.
And
I want to play by play.
So you tried this 2 times?
no, this is my second time.
Oh, okay.
Alright. I was waiting for you to do this.
I'm afraid.
Me too.
Specifically for my bowel movement. Dude, I'm gonna hurt.
Wait, why is it melty?
It is melty.
Wait, why?
I don't know. Did you just get this?
No, I had it.
Is your fridge broken?
I think our fridge is broken. Oh, it might be a faulty one again. I think it's just really bad luck.
I think you have really bad luck. It doesn't look appetizing
I know.
when it's half melted.
All right.
Ew,
Cheers.
ew,
Cheers.
ew.
Oh, not that bad. But it's not something I would crave. It's good.
It tastes kind of like coffee ice cream, but
Yeah.
like with boba in it.
Can I put this in your fridge then?
Yeah. I think if this was actually frozen, it would taste a lot better. You know?
I'm so sad about this.
But also, I just don't love the texture of boba. Oh, that's so pretty. What the fuck? The water in the piano.
Happy leap year day. Just a little friendly advice. Anything you do, especially if you save on Snap, memories won't appear 4 years later. So, alright. So as I told you that Bike Club is under this trial event, and we got $250 for our event. But I had to get reimbursed. And this is, I didn't know it was such a complicated process. Oh my gosh. Can we talk about how NYU paid $250 for me to run an event, and we just bought food basically, and we got to eat majority of the food.
Hi. We're dancing.
Woo! I'm not hungover, but I drank the next
Which
floor
time
and we're out here.
of the semester is this at the gym for you?
I didn't count.
Let's say this is number 100.
We're doing arms today. Me and my workout trainer. Tell the viewers why we're here.
I'm getting eyelid tape because this eyelid is fucked up right now. It's an allergic reaction and it went like this and not back to normal.